Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to install an AWE Track Edition exhaust on a Mk6 Gli. So looks like we got everything here, clamps and all that. And then we got the tips. So these are adjustable, so you can kind of put them where you want to, which is pretty sick. So get to it. Alright, so as you can see, it goes over the rear subframe, axle, whatever you want to call it on these GLIs. But right here, and that's where you disconnect. You take off the hangers, and then, fuck, you might have to cut it actually, because I don't know how you can get it out.
You fucking cut it.
You're not probably gonna cut it like right here, something like that.
That's where my confusion came, because I saw someone on YouTube they had to cut it out just to get it out.
Yeah, unless you want to drop the subframe, but no, fuck that. Do all that for a catback.
Fuck that.
So
It's not worth saving.
Yup. I'm gonna try to grease this up a little bit because that looks a little. Ugh. But you gotta take off this frame. There's a brace right here too. So we'll get to it. So alright, here we have yeah, this kind of happened. Well, I didn't even touch it. It kind of just brought it away. But catback's disconnected. Clamps or hangers are off from the hangers. If you do exhaust a lot, this tool right here, best fucking tool ever to work on exhaust. It takes literally, you know, I'll just show you right now. Literally takes a couple seconds to remove hangers. So basically, you put it like that.
Yeah, they just need a hard frame from being. So the post, I told them more about it with the post and stuff, and I was like, I don't know, it's leaking brake fluid.
So obviously you gotta cut this exhaust. Yeah, or that too. But what I recommend is, I try to cut it right before the subframe. Just cut it where the muffler almost starts, because it's a lot easier. You can reach it more and all that shit. But yeah, this shit is not hard at all. We're what, 20 minutes in, 15 minutes in already. So yeah, time for to mock all this stuff up. Alright, so as you can see, exhaust is on.
Penis!
Yeah.
Penis! Wait, Gavin's recording? He's recording.
You fucking dickhead.
Yeah.
So as you can see, you know, something I'd recommend is just put everything kind of like align everything up first. Don't tighten anything. Kind of like put everything together with all the clamps on, and then start from back to front to tighten everything to get kind of where you want it.
Just
So,
like back to front.
yeah, pretty much. So. Nah, keep going.